Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve this equation where we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video. So the equation is 4 power 3x plus 8 power 2x minus 32 is equals to 0. So I can see that 4 has some power, 8 has some power, but 32 does not have any power. So we'll take 32 to other side. So I can write this equation as 4 power 3x plus 8 power 2x is equals to 32. Now I can write 4 as 2 square and whose power is 3x, and 8 in terms of 2 power I can write 2 cube whose power is 2x is equals to 32. Similarly, I can multiply this because we have an identity that a power x power y is equals to a power xy. So 2 power 2 power 3x, I can write it as 2 power 6x. Similarly, 2 power 3 power 2x, 2 power 6x. Now 32, I can write 32 in terms of 2 power. The 32 is 2 power 5. Now what I noticed that the bases are same here 2, and as well on the right side also 2. So I can write 2 power 6x plus 2 power 6x, both are twice. So I can write twice of 2 power 6x is equals to 2 power 5. Now if 2 does not has any power, that means it has power 1. So and if there is a multiplication sign between that, I can write it in terms of addition. 2 power 6x plus 1 is equals to 2 power 5. Now both have same base, so that means power are also equal to each other. So 6x plus 1 is equals to 5. 6x is equals to 5 minus 1, that is 4. X is equals to 4 over 6, or I can write it as 2 over by 3. So the value of x for this equation is 2 by 3. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.